So what's up everyone, Awesomeness, we are back with another awesome video. So today what we're going to do is, we're going to review my new mechanical keyboard, which is really cheap. So I'm going to tell you if this cheap mechanical keyboard is really worth it. Let's have a look at the keyboard.
This keyboard is from a company called Fami. It's not a recognized brand, but by the looks of it, this keyboard Fami made is a solid product. This keyboard that I'm reviewing cost me around $20, which for a mechanical keyboard is a steal. This keyboard has Atami blue switches which are super clicky and tactile. Here's a sound test of these switches. This keyboard checks off many boxes when it comes to a good keyboard. It's well built from an aluminum body, nice to plastic keycaps, which don't feel that cheap. It's also IP68 water resistant, which I'm not quite sure of. Well, we need to check that out to find out. And also it has RGB in it. Starting from its side, having a cityscape RGB lit up image, individually lit up keys. Well, you won't be happy about hearing this, that you can't change colors, but you can change the LED modes. Here are all the modes which are included. This is a static one. Another is a wave one, and then there are these two weird ones which light up a part of the keyboard and are animated, and finally it's the keystroke animation one. One is the individually one, another is the area one, and the last being the full keyboard one. Well, I would give prompts to the keyboard brand Fami that made an excellent keyboard at around $20. This 100% keyboard is my top choice because it won't waste your money buying that $100 Ducky 1-2 Mini. But if you have that money in your budget, then go for it. But if you're low on it, then definitely buy this one. Links for this keyboard will be in the description down below. But there's a downside to this keyboard, which being there's no software for it, but that's not a big deal. I've been using this keyboard for a week now, and whatever I've used up till now, this is definitely my #1 budget keyboard right now.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That means my name is Ali. You're watching Awesomeness.